folks. Lesser goldfinch is back, sharing the feeder with the house finch. Yeah, the lesser goldfinches are migratory here. Yeah, just doing a little changeover. Whoop! Doggone it, I roused Woody. Oh well. I blew everybody's cover. What's better? The rocks or the birds? Man, I got it good. My kitties are sleeping, so I figured I'd get some. I should be resting every day's work day here at Bob's Bedazzling Rocks and Backyard Bird Bazaar, and I love every minute of it. Y'all have a great Sunday now. You hear?